Hello, December 10 and it's going to be end of 2025. Hello, 2026, and until now, you still pay full to Zoom? No, stop doing it. I show you how to buy Zoom with 50% discount. And now I will pay this. Continue. This Vietnamese on your screen. And now I will pay this with this kind of coupon, and you can get all the keep coupon for free on the describe. So I will now click on purchase, and I need to transfer money on the bank first. And now you can see process, and is a process. It's gonna be fine. If you cannot you cannot find the right coupon, it's okay. I will find it for you and give away for free. Or if you want us to help you to buy Zoom for free, less than $100 for Zoom Pro 1 year, it's okay. So goodbye for now.